Hi guys, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to review a skincare brand called Good Molecules. It's an in-house brand of Beautylish. Now, if you don't know what Beautylish is, it's like Sephora, Nykaa, Ulta, and all of that. So, Good Molecules is by Beautylish. I would link everything in the description box, and let's just get started. So Good Molecules were kind enough to send me this whole package just for the review purposes. This is not a sponsored video, and I'm going to start with the first product, and that is my favorite. It's the silicone free priming moisturizer. Now this is how the outer box is, and when you open it, so this is how the actual product is. Now it comes with a pump. So you just need a little bit, and little goes a long way, and it's fragrance free. It just spreads on your skin very nicely, and it's like thick, so it would moisturize as well as it would prime so that your makeup would stick to your skin. So this one has shea butter, macadamia oil, and the alternative for the silicone, which is plant-based. So that's all it have. Honestly, like, it's been almost like a month since I'm using it, and I haven't even touched here. So it's a very nice product. You just need a little bit, and if you are from a dry skin type, you just need this product. You don't need a moisturizer if you are applying makeup every other day or every single day. So the next product I have is the hyaluronic acid serum. This is how it looks like, and if you know me, I am getting into skincare. I am investing in a lot of skincare lately, and I'm trying to figure out what works for me. So this is one of them, and as you can see, I have almost finished 50% of the product, and that's how much I love it. I usually use it during the night time. It's very light, and it's like not at all sticky or oily. It's like watery consistency, so it just absorbs in your skin so quickly and just doesn't smell like anything. It's very smooth, and it just absorbs and disappears from the skin. Now hyaluronic acid is meant for like deep hydration. Again, if you're like a dry skin type, or if you're feeling like patchy or itchy or something like that, and you just need that extra moisture, this is the product for you. You don't need too much, and it will quickly absorb into your skin, so you won't feel like, okay, I have something on my face and it's bugging me all the time. You just need this, and on every bottle they have instructions on how to use the product. So this one says few drops in the morning and at night. You can use it twice a day. I just use it once a day. I've also tried it with makeup, underneath the makeup. It works amazing. Swear by this product, definitely repurchasing. So the next two are the facial oils, and this is how it came. So this one is the rose hip oil, and it says you have to warm the product between your palms and then apply. I have used a rose hip oil in the past, and it works great as a primer. It's good for hair. I have seen a lot of people using it on their hair. They just mix it with the normal carrier oil, almond oil, castor oil, any oil, and you can massage it on your hair. You can use it on your face. Specifically if you have redness or patches or anything of that sort, this one works amazing. Now this one is very concentrated, and it's very little. You just need 2 to 3 drops. You just warm the product and then pat it on your skin. I've used it in past, so I haven't opened this one yet. I have kept it for a giveaway. So this is how the product looks like, and I am pretty sure this would be amazing. The next facial oil I have is the Good Molecules Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil, and this is how the product looks like. And this one also is like warm between your palms and then apply. Now this one specifically says you should apply it before anything. So this one is like, it's like a last step of your CTM. So cleanse, tone, and then moisturize. So you have to use it before your moisturizer, and then you can go ahead and apply moisturizer, your sunscreen, or anything. Any facial oils you apply, I would recommend it to apply before your moisturizer. It just preps and plumps your skin so much and so nicely that you don't when you like apply makeup and when you wipe all your makeup, you don't lose your natural oils from the skin. So that's what it's meant to do. And this one has sea buckthorn, if I'm not wrong. Yes, sea buckthorn and camellia. This is super hydrating. Trust me when I say this. I've started using it and I finished 1/4 of the bottle in just a week. And it doesn't smell like anything. Honestly, all the products are fragrance free and they are very limited ingredients. That too, they are straightforward. If it's a rosehip oil, it would be rosehip oil. If it's a hyaluronic acid, it would be hyaluronic acid. So that's what I love about this brand. And this one is also like very hydrating. So they emailed me and asked me what my skin type is, and I said it's normal to dry, and my T-zone is a little bit oily sometimes. So that's when I got this, and this one, it works amazing. I wish I had this product in winters, but hey, my skin is dry throughout the year, so this one works perfectly for my skin. I just do first thing in the morning after washing my face, and it works amazing. I've tried underneath the makeup. I've mixed it with foundation. In fact, I've also used the hyaluronic acid with the foundation. Works amazing. Definitely getting this next year. So the last product I have is the Super Peptide Serum, and this is again like hyaluronic acid, but it's made with all the amino acids, which are peptides, and it's meant for fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. Now, I will be 24 next year, so I thought it's perfect, and it's like a perfect anti-aging product, and there is no age to start anti-aging product. So this one is perfect, and I have a little bit of fine lines here, but I still haven't started using it. All the other products I have used except for this one. So this one I'm definitely gonna give it a try, and it says it's for dullness. So this is for the times when you don't feel that your skin is yours, and you just feel like it's dull and it's not that bright. This is what it's for. And again, you can apply it in the morning or at night before your moisturizers, because serums are again meant to use before moisturizer, so that's why. And I'm sure this would be amazing. And yeah, this is the only product I haven't tried, but I have seen so many reviews, and all of the reviews which I saw, they were just raving about this product. So I am really excited. But right now I've opened so many products and I still have so much skincare to use, so I saved this one when I move to my 24 and 25. I'm gonna use it at that time. Other than that, I am also doing a secret giveaway. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram, watch my videos, subscribe to my channel, and you could be a winner. On this video, I'm going to announce a winner, and the winner for the very first secret giveaway is this person right here. It's Urja, and I know she supports me all the time. She watches all my videos and she follows me on Instagram since even before starting my blog. So yes, it's much appreciated, and it's just like a way that I appreciate my followers and subscribers. So if you want to be one of them, then subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and you might be the one to win the giveaway. And the person who wins the giveaway, they get a beautiful beauty hamper, of course, with makeup and or skincare. So yes, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then again, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.